Confronting a massive, monolithic academic text is often a source of deep frustration. Without a clear starting point, the sheer volume of raw data creates a cognitive load that can stall learning before it begins. The AI student assistant acts as a structured ecosystem, transforming that static information into a suite of personalized, interactive study tools. Setup requires two specific steps: inputting your Gemini API key and loading your dense source document directly into the application. Within 6 minutes, you will learn how to convert any intimidating document into a multimodal personal tutor. Establishing a high-level foundational understanding begins in the Summary tab. Select the Comprehensive Study Guide option from the drop-down menu and initiate the generation process to see a structured outline of the core material. You can extract this digital guide into a portable format. Clicking Download as Word snaps the Markdown text into a standardized document layout for offline use. This initial export creates a safe, accessible baseline for your notes before you move into more complex analysis. When you encounter a specific, difficult concept in your text, navigate to the Explain tab. Setting the level to Novice triggers an explanation that uses simple analogies to build your initial comprehension. To see the system's dynamic range, generate an Expert tier explanation for that same concept. The Expert level shifts the visual language of the output, incorporating advanced K-text math formatting and structural mermaid diagrams to map out technical pathways. By leveraging the Dreyfus model of skill acquisition, the system ensures the material scales in difficulty as your own competence grows. To move from passive reading to active recall, transition to the Flashcards tab. Configure the system to generate 10 cards focused strictly on key concepts, then use the built-in digital flip interaction to test your definitions. Next, open the Quiz tab and set a multiple-choice test to medium difficulty. When you submit an answer, the system displays a large expanded feedback box explaining the specific logic of why that answer is correct or incorrect based on the source text. For advanced application, shift your focus to the Problem-Solving tab. Selecting the gradual difficulty setting allows you to work through analytical or mathematical problems without becoming instantly overwhelmed. Once you submit your answer, the AI provides a numerical score, a specific critique of your work, and the full step-by-step correct solution. This immediate feedback loop bridges the gap between simple rote memorization and true applied understanding of the topic. For passive review away from the screen, use the Podcast tab. Click Generate Script, followed by Generate Audio to begin the synthesis process. Expect a short wait while the system processes up to 50,000 characters of dense academic material. The final result is a 10-minute audio deep dive, spoken by an AI voice synthesizer and ready for playback. This conversion allows you to continue the learning process during your commute or exercise. In one session, you have moved from a static document to a formatted word guide through adaptive, layered explanations into fully graded problems and a custom podcast. You can also use the Finder tab to instantly isolate chemical formulas or key dates from the text. Load your absolute hardest academic source material, pick your specific difficulty level, and start mastering the entire topic immediately without delay. The AI Student Assistant provides a rigorous, adaptable environment designed to help you engage with and apply complex information.